everyone. Welcome to the Capture 3D booth for ASQ's Quality 4.0 Virtual Summit. I'm Emily, your virtual host, and we are so happy to have you here. We do miss seeing everyone in person this year, but we still have live team members ready to connect with you through the video chat. We've continued to see rapid adoption of our digitizing technology for quality control and dimensional analysis applications, so we're so excited to show you what's new. Let me give you a quick tour of our booth. We have multiple videos posted, including one that explains who we are and why we love what we do, a few about our latest blue light 3D scanners, our newest robotic solutions, and more. Our team is happy to give you a live virtual demo of these solutions to help you determine which technology is right for your needs. Make sure to check out our giveaway section where you can download the free GoMinspect software, the leading inspection software that quality professionals rely on. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy our booth. Don't forget to reach out to us through the chat and stay healthy.